So the greatest recipe on the planet, wait one moment. 1, 2, 3, action. Peanut butter, chocolate, and coconut chia. That to me just sounds like heaven, almost like a dessert, but it's breakfast, right? And that's the beauty of this. We get to have chocolate and peanut butter in the morning, but ultimately we're serving our health, right? Because it's all plants. So, where's my peanut butter? Okay, I've got a big jar of it here. It's amazing stuff, I love it. You're gonna add your chia to a bowl. Now, if it's black chia or white chia, this is white, or if it's mixed chia, doesn't matter. I prefer biodynamic or organic, but it's up to you. Then I'm going to add my cacao powder into the bowl. And a pinch of salt, super important, the salt, because it just brings out so much flavour. I need some coconut milk. And we want to whisk this until it becomes like a jelly. And this is when you pull up a chair and relax. This is a moment in time for you to recognize what you're doing and how fabulous you are and how you're really worth taking care of. That's the truth. You really are. This is going to take about 8 minutes. So what I do is I just sit back and think of my life previous to this moment and step into a real gratitude mode. Sometimes cooking or uncooking gives you a moment to do many things in your mind. But being present is one of my spiritual goals. Okay, it's going to take time. What's the time? Time. Seriously, it does take time. The reason why it takes so long is because as I'm mixing, all the gelatinous, I think that's the word, comes out of these tiny little seeds, which are packed with protein, by the way. A lot of people say, oh, if you're vegan or vegetarian, you know, mainly plant-based, how do you get your protein? Well, these beauties are not only a essential fatty acid, like huge omega-3s here, which we need, anti-inflammatory, big time, these little power-packed seeds, but they're also just so amazing how if I keep stirring, it just becomes like a pudding type texture. It's incredible, actually. God had a plan. So I've been sitting here for about 8 minutes and you can see now it's quite gelatinous. Have a look. It's amazing, isn't it? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I want some maple syrup because I want that sweetness to come through for sure. You don't have to. Got my maple syrup ready. And what you're going to do is separate it into two. So we have one, well, if you're with a friend doing this, it's one each. Or this can be breakfast for the next day, or 3 or 4 days later, up to you. Now, it's not a lot, which is really interesting, right? But hold the line, caller, hold the line. Okay, what we're going to do is add some banana to this mix. And we want our peanut butter. This is where it starts getting all delicious for me. And I want a splash of maple in the top. And then I want some of this gorgeous incredibleness. I just love it. Dollop of that on there. And then I want to fill it up with banana. I know, right? See how it's not a lot of chia, but it all comes together beautifully when you fill it up like this, because it's enough. And then I want another splash of maple just on the top. And now I have breakfast in the car or later when I need to, and I have this for tomorrow, which I'm not going to put any banana on this, by the way. That's going to be because the banana will oxidize. So that is for tomorrow in the fridge, or if I'm doing this with a friend. And this is my beautiful breakfast. And the best part is you get to lick the spoon. Yum. Oh my God. I just want to eat that now. It's like eating a peanut butter chocolate sandwich. I'm digging around for the peanut butter. It's just amazing. And don't forget to chew this. That's one thing about this little seed, right? Is we forget to chew. And that's how we crack the seed. And we allow everything to come out. And the chewing makes our digestion do what it's designed to do, because digestion starts in the mouth, right? It doesn't start anywhere else. Yum. I could just keep eating this all day. Yum. And as it sits in the fridge longer, it's going to get like firmer, and that's exciting. And everything in there is just like marrying up, and that's it. Happy days. So if you want more maple, put more maple in, but you just do whatever you feel is right. Delicious. See you in the next video.